So in this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Teams on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 or A26. So the first step is to choose where you're going to be installing it from, whether it's the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Then once you've chosen, just tap on either option to launch it. From here, you want to use the search function, and then the next step is to simply type in Microsoft Teams. And then once you've typed it in, just select search. Next, wait for it to appear in the search results. Once it's appeared, simply select it and then tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed onto your phone, you can tap on open to launch it. Then from here, just go through the process of setting it up, and you can now start using Microsoft Teams on your Galaxy phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.